Hello, thanks for tuning in to Kessel Tube. Today we wanted to profile a crop that we have been growing under our spectral grid. Here we have two potato plants, both rooting crop, and the plant here to my left was grown under a bluer spectrum than the one to the right, which was under a magenta. We use the spectral grid as a tool for identifying the ideal spectrum for each plant. Some plants, those that are more vegetative, and we're noticing with the root crops as well, prefer a spectrum that has more of a blue to red ratio, while those that, when you're trying to produce fruits and tomatoes or flowers, we see that incorporating more red into the spectrum is important. So we're going to go ahead and take a look. This is as new to you as me. We just want to see how many potatoes we've produced and whether or not there's a difference between those that were under the red or the bluer spectrum. So again, this here that we're going to start with is the bluer. Potatoes produce a tuber, which is an extension of stem growth. That's what roots are. And first I'm going to remove the vegetative parts of the plant. And what we're going to start to expect to see is these small little potatoes like this. This is a miniature variety, not your big Yukon. So this is a honey yellow, I believe. And let's see what we've got in here. So it doesn't look like we got too many. What we did is we started with one potato that we cut into two pieces. It started out a little bit smaller than this one here, and from that we've propagated, it looks like, 5 or so. We'll see if we can do any better with the magenta. Maybe a little bit more with the magenta. Alright. These were propagated from cuttings of the tuber, like I said. We're going to start them from vegetative cuttings and do a second shot and see if we might get more growth. Right now it looks like maybe a redder spectrum is a little better, but again, this is pretty inconclusive as it's the first time growing the crop. But thanks for coming in, and we'll let you know how the experiment continues. Thanks.